I'm telling you, the biggest prawns are always hiding under those lily pads.
You might be right. We should definitely try that later today. Take some of these prawns.
Thank you. This meal is wonderful.
This is the best prawn curry I have ever had.
Absolutely divine.
The flavors are incredible.
ദുസ്സക്കിരിക്കൽക്കാര് കിന്നരണ്ട വതലരാണ് ഇന്ന് പകൽക്ക്
Look at that ring toss game. I have to try it.
The food stalls smell incredible too. Let's get a snack after.
Yes.
You did it! That was a perfect throw! This is the best sweet I've ever tasted. Seriously, try this.
Wow, that is incredible. My cone is good, but yours is amazing. The mangoes and pomegranates today. 50 rupees for the mangoes, they are very ripe.
That sounds reasonable. We'll take them.
Be careful with that one. It's perfectly ripe.
Don't worry, I'll place it right here in the basket. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
How much for these beautiful pink flowers?
Only 5 rupees for the bunch, sir. They are very fresh today.
Excellent. I'll take them. Thank you. How much for the eggplants and peppers?
It's 50 rupees for the basket.
Here you are.
Here are the freshest ones we have today.
Oh, they look wonderful. Thank you so much. Here, try this prawn. Oh, he loves it.
Look how he jumps for the feather.
He is having so much fun. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe.